In this short video guide, we're going to see a website where we can get free pics or pictures, photos, illustrations, which is called NeedPix. Now, this is the spelling right here. Is NeedPix, and you can find it directly in your search engine, or you can just type needpix.com on the address bar. So this is the website right here. It's really simple. You can just scroll down and see the various images that are proposed, and you find here like work of arts, like paintings, and also photos and illustration. And it's just kind of a random presentation. You can also access here iStock, but these are like more professional photos with for sale. So I'm gonna click on this wolf picture right here, and just to make an example. Now, one thing I really enjoy of this website is that you don't need to create an account, you don't need to register or do anything with your email, whatever. And here on the right side we have related images, and down here we have a copy link if you want to share the image, and you just click on this yellow button. You decide whether you want high quality or a low quality or smaller image, or heavier image, and then you just click and download. It's pretty easy, fast, simple. Just go there, select the folder, select where you want to save it, just save it, and that's it. And these are other premium images, again, for sale if you're interested into something more professional. And going down, we have keywords, we have the author right here if you want to check also the other pictures from the same author. Or also you can check other public domain pictures down here, and you can just continue your search and try with other images. So it's really easy to use, and if you're looking for something specific, you can also use this bar right here. Just type what you're looking for and you will see like also some illustration, or sometimes you find PNG with the alpha channel, so meaning it doesn't have the background. Sometimes you find 3D images, 2D illustrations like this without the background that you can use, etc., etc. So another tool I want to show you is the online image editor, which is accessible up here by clicking on the toolbar on the top, and this is the editor. So you need to load something. I'm gonna load the image that I just downloaded of the wolf, and you can see now it's already in the filter panel, so I can start to apply colors and various filters. I can apply pixelation, for example, or some other color filter here with the thresholds, and it's kind of a like really small editor where you can adjust a little bit the image in terms of brightness, or removing white spots, or applying grayscale, black and white, or sepia, or blur, or sharpen, or emboss. So really quick modification, really quick editing that you can invert the image, etc., etc. And there it is, the button down there. So you have filters, but then you have a lot of other tools. I'm not gonna show you everything here. Mask, you need to load a mask here. So you need a black and white image if you want to apply a mask or alpha channel. And then you have text, and then you have like shapes and illustrations. You can sketch, you can draw, you can rotate the image to adjust it. You can flip it vertically and horizontally. You can apply a crop if you want another type of proportion or format, like wide, or if you want others. So you apply, and there it is. That's the new image. You can also delete, and or you can also reverse or go back and forward. So it's a really easy editor, really easy to use. If you're looking for something more complex, you can check Pixar or Canva or others that also are downloadable, like Krita or GIMP. But this is just a quick editor here. I'm gonna do a square cut, and I'm gonna apply also grayscale. And once you're finished To edit, you can click on download and you can download the new edited picture, the new modified picture, which is going to be PNG. And this will be all for this video guide. And if you enjoyed, please subscribe if you want to stay updated for more. And also you can join the channel if you want to support us and thank us and help us to do more videos. And you can also check our other video courses and video guides on graphic design, photography, and much, much more that you find in the channel. Use the search bar in the channel if you're looking for something specific. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.